Why the whole fully done classroom a bully Mika boo about school? When no found who claims sound educated, still a reason like a damn fool. What's the sense of having knowledge and pursuing education if it's still emerging in the comments box as an arrogant and ignorant one? Someone is an embarrassment to the teacher. On the show, you can read that right? Because the things I'm assuming in the comments are type, it's obvious that you're not so bright. You have no reasonability. You can't even communicate without using nasty foul language fully loaded with hate. I try put down the girl about school. Papa Jesus, a week. You're fully educated, but them still catch your teeth? Matter of fact, let me be a bit more blunt. No found no educated, but end up still a sell on the front. The boys put their books on the table. Please write the correct there. For no found don't know no homophones and are running no mouth over here. You hear the little girl talk and buck shuffle? She fully capable of expressing her thoughts. Some of you can't even make a proper sentence on a workless dirty fart. You don't empower someone by trying to make them feel bad. See what I mean about using effectively the education you claim you have? Since someone was give advice so damn educated, tell my wife I'm morning tonight, only depend the upper big. Yes, it would be good for her to pursue studies, but trolling her about it is disgusting. Is this the way educated people behave? That's so disturbing. If you don't want her to go to school, then pay the school fee. She never born with gold spoon in her mouth, give her the opportunity. Because if all you can do on the app is put her down to make her feel bad, then that's all you could have done with the education you claim you have? Every one of us have our own path, some early, some later. It's not a competition, so take your time, Mika. Don't let others' opinion define you. If they put you down, don't listen. I've seen many an educated man end up right in prison because people are so caught up with worldly accreditations, they forget to be human, to pull others up. Come on, Mika, chin up. The world is lacking compassion. God will place things in your life as he sees it fit. Trolling a young girl about education, some of you are just flush. Me know I'm hungry rough Mika when he spoke against Anna. But that don't mean that I'm going to act blind when me see what I want on the app here. Right is right, wrong is wrong. Nobody has the right to pull you if you go get an education. Take your little time and work silently. One coca full basket. As long as you keep believing, one day you'll achieve it. And many of you doing that to her are enemies, not friends. Because there's a thin line between making someone and actually breaking them.